Chapter 17 of The Shokin by Frederick Chambliss Weems. One of the first things a person awakening to the bankruptcy of the liberal agenda will notice is that in any artistic representation, be it a movie, a play, a painting, or a novel, a case in point would be Weems's desultory The Shokin, good people are almost entirely absent. One may counter that there don't seem to be any good people in King Lear, but The Shokin is hardly King Lear. And Cordelia's goodness has no corresponding, "Oh, put it down, Fred. The National Review doesn't like you. You should be happy." But it's as if I were completely ignorant of the struggle between good and evil. Well, what's the good in reading what conservatives say about your book? I want to be loved by them, poo-poo-pa-doo. Also, they turn out to have been right about a lot of things. For example, the Russians say Alger Hiss was guilty. Excuse me, I'm moving. I'm not with this person. Maybe National Review is right about me, Tony. I'm sure they are. Why don't you apply for work there? Can't we all just get along?